Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an LED 16 by 9 inch open sign. We're going to show you guys what this is here. Open it up. Something just fell. What was it? The chain to hang it from. And in here we have our sign. So this is what it looks like here. It looks very foggy here because it's got plastic all over it. Oh yeah, some people like that satisfying peel. If you like that, I will be peeling it right now. Maybe if I can grab it. Man, I had it going a second ago. There we go. So there's one side, and there's the other side. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, and now let's see this wire here. Looks like the wire is going to be pretty long. It's probably going to be 10 feet or so. And there we go. So we have a nice long wire with a little switch here, so we can turn it on and off, I guess. So let's plug this in and see. Do we have DC on here? We do. Plug this in. I'm just plugging it into a battery thing that I have here. But let's see. There it is, open. Oh man, that looks sweet. And we have brightness on it. Wow, we can make it really bright. Holy mackerel, look at how bright that is. That's crazy. That'll light up the whole room. And then there's the off. And we can dim it like that. Wow, I gotta say, this is really a nice sign. If you have any type of office or store or something like that, this is gonna look awesome in there. I really like it. So I'm gonna say this open sign is super nice. Wow, I love it. Okay, so I'm trying to think where I can use it here. But no, it's gonna be for an office that we have. But I like this, and this is good. Open sign, very nice. And I like the little LEDs. I don't know if you can see, there's a zillion little ones there, and then this thing here is just like a solid one. So totally awesome. I love it. Thumbs up.